Hello student, myself Dr. Varsha Gupta. Now I am continuing the topic of the previous chapter of acid, base and salt. Now the next topic is base. Now we first continue with the properties of base. As you all know, base provides us OH minus ions and they are also helpful in the conduction of electricity. Other properties of base are they are bitter in taste, they are soapy in touch, and they are helpful to turn the red litmus into blue color. For example, if we dip the red litmus into sodium hydroxide solution, it will turn in the blue color. Now the next property is bases react with some metals to form hydrogen gas. For example, we have taken the base sodium hydroxide and reacting with the zinc metal, and it is forming, while we heat this mixture, it will form sodium zincate plus hydrogen gas. Another property is when bases react with non-metal oxides. Remember, non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. When bases react with non-metal oxides, they will form salt plus water, calcium carbonate plus water. So remember, non-metal oxides are acidic. While we are reacting metal oxides with acid, metal oxides are basic in nature and form salt and water. Now, the next topic is strength of acid and base solution. The strength of acid and base solution is measured by pH scale. So what is pH scale? pH scale is used to measure the strength of acid and base. The values of pH scales are from 0 to 14. For neutral substance, the pH is always 7. But for acidic substance, the pH is less than 7. But for the basic substance, pH is more than 7. Remember that pH is always inversely proportional to the H plus ion concentration. If H plus ion concentration is high, pH will be low. But if H plus concentration ion is low, the pH will be high. So, now what is the importance of pH in our daily life? First, pH in our digestive system. As we all know, our stomach releases the hydrochloric acid. It is helpful to kill the germs present in the food. If there is an excess of HCl in the stomach, if there is an excess of HCl in the stomach, what will happen? It will cause pain and irritation or acidity in the stomach. To neutralize this acidity, we will take the tablets of magnesium hydroxide, or we will take milk of magnesia that will react with this hydrochloric acid and forms the salt in our stomach and neutralize it, and we will get relief. Second, pH change in the case of tooth decay. Tooth decay starts in our mouth when the pH of our mouth is below 5.5. In this case, we will use toothpaste to keep our mouth clean, because toothpaste is a base. When it reacts with the acid of the mouth, it will make it neutralize and our mouth get thoroughly cleaned. Third, pH change and survival of animals. Sometimes acid rain falls. The pH of acid rain is generally 5.6. When this acid rain mix in the water of lakes or ponds, the survival of the aquatic organisms become difficult. So sometimes we need to mix CaCO3, calcium carbonate in the lakes or ponds to neutralize the effect of this acid so that aquatic organisms can survive. Now, the fourth topic is self-defense by animals and plants through chemical warfare. As you all know, when ants sting on the skin of the human being, it releases methonic acid. 2. Methonic acid. If we rub the baking soda on the skin, we will get the relief from the burning skin. For example, if we touch the nettle leaves having a stinging hair, and they release the methonic acid on the skin and it causes the burning pain. But if we rub the baking soda on the skin, it will neutralize the effect of that acid and we will get relief.